Hey, it's Mark from Editor's Keys, and today I'm excited to share my top 4 rules and insider secrets for cinematic filmmaking. Rule number 1 is all about composition and the rule of thirds. It's a simple technique, but trust me, it's super effective. For those of you that don't know, the rule of thirds is a guideline that divides an image into 9 equal parts using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. You place the key elements of your shot along these lines or at the intersections to create a visually appealing and balanced composition. Embracing this rule when framing your shots is a fantastic way to add a cinematic touch to your films. Moving on to rule number 2, color grading. The look and feel of your film can be dramatically affected by your choice of color grade. A good color grade can make your film stand out from the rest. And my top tip, shoot in a log picture profile. It gives you the maximum amount of dynamic range when color grading, and it's way more flexible. And hey, don't shy away from experimenting with LUTs to find a look that resonates with you and your audience. We've got some great ones available at Editor's Keys that I personally use for a professional film look, and we use them in every video on this channel. Now, let's talk about camera movement or non-movement. It can make a world of difference to your scenes, from a static tripod shot to a handheld or a gimbal shot. Now, I'm a big fan of handheld and static shots. Handheld can add an emotional depth to your shots, whilst static shots are perfect for establishing a location or focusing on a specific subject. So rather than going for a smooth gimbal shot just because they look kind of cool, think about the story you want to tell and the emotions you want to evoke. A well-composed static shot with an interesting subject can often be more cinematic than a pointless gimbal shot. Come on, let's be honest, it's really overused. And finally, rule number 4, editing. Editing isn't just about cutting and splicing, it's an art form that can significantly enhance the cinematic feel of your work. Creators like Gorks and RZA use sound design and careful editing to tell compelling stories. So make sure to take your time with your cuts and treat your work like a movie when you're editing. A well-edited piece can amplify the emotional impact of your story, keeping your audience hooked from start to finish. Oh, and if you really want to improve your editing, make sure to check out an editing shortcut keyboard. Not only does it look pretty cool, it's really going to speed up your editing in your video editor of choice. So head to editorskeys.com or check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.